Hey everybody, I just got finished watching the feature video, What Does Your Fridge Say About You? So I figured I'd make a little quick video response and have a look inside my fridge and see what my fridge says about me. This doesn't make any sense. This is empty. There's nothing in here. This can't represent me. There's nothing in it. If this was supposed to represent me and it's empty, then that would mean that I'm empty inside. That my life has no meaning. It's ridiculous. My life has... Trust me, YouTube. I am not empty inside. The fridge is right. It's over! It's a sham, YouTube! This ends here. I want Geriatric 1927 to sing Amazing Grace in the collab video. Goodbye, everybody. God forgive me.
Mark, what are you doing?
I was cleaning out the fridge. Yeah. I was just tidying up.
No, I'm cleaning the fridge. That's why there's no food in it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You were cleaning out the fridge? Oh, it's my lucky day. That means it's your empty fridge, and I do believe you'll be needing this. I'll catch you on the flip-flop.